everyone, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we will make this cute little thing together. You can make it like a decoration or maybe a earring. So let's start it. So first we need to do 52 chain, just like this. And then put your hook into this little hole, yarn over and tighten, yarn over, pull your hook. This is one chain. We need to do 52 in total. So after the 52 chain, we cut the yarn. So you can see this is our front face. Those are the little V shape here. And then we need to turn it to the back side. In here. Here. You need to crochet the little part. In here you can use a needle to make it larger, so it's simple to put your hook in. And then we grab our another color, just like this. Press this pink hand, then put your hook into the hole we just made. Press the pink hand, then yarn over. In this hole we do 3 chain first. This is 1 chain, 2, 3, and then we do 6 unfinished double stitch. I think I also called puff stitch. It's like this, yarn over, then put your hook into this hole, and then yarn over. There should be 3 loops on your hook, and then we yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Will be something like this. So this is our this one is our first unfinished double stitch. We need to do 5 more. Yarn over, put your hook into the hole, and then yarn over, put your hook through the first 2 loops. Same here. So if you forgot how many unfinished double stitch you made, you can count the loops on your hook. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We use 5 to minus 1. So now we have 4 unfinished double stitch. We need to do 2 more. Maybe a little bit hard to make because there are too many loops in the same stitch. So when we're finished, we should have 7 loops on our hook, and then yarn over. We go through all of the loops on our hook at once, and then do 1 chain, give an end, then cut the yarn. Next, we need to tie them. So for this part, the green and the pink part, just pull them first to tie them, and then we make a tie twice. And for the 2 pink hand, we just tie them twice as well. So that will be the front, a little bubble. Then we cut them short. And we can hide those yarn inside of this little bubble. So this is what we have after finish all of them, and then we just tie them to this shape. We do something like this, and then put your right side on top of the left one. Will be something like this, and then here on here we put the part below. We put the part below into the hole here, and then tie them. Can make it very tight, and then pull the little part to adjust the shape. So then we finished. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. So I will see you next week. Bye.